Bitcoin Cash could tumble 3.8% by February 24, per coin data flow. Before anything else, let's see what's happening on the chart. Bitcoin Cash is currently down 5.3% in the last 24 hours and sits around $541.50. Now, let's hear today's analyst opinions. According to CoinDataFlow, the asset could reach $520.95 by February 24, a loss of roughly 3.8% from today's price. Crypto Predictions puts the target for Bitcoin Cash at $532.83, about 1.6% below current value. According to Traders Union, it might edge lower toward $537.75, around 0.7% down. Another estimate by CoinCodex shows Bitcoin Cash might climb to $544.91, a gain close to 0.6%. And lastly, Digital Coin Price targets $572.18 by tomorrow, which would mean a gain of 5.7%. This is the highest yielding forecast in this lineup. You've just seen 5 forecasts. Let's keep exploring. We've seen the projections. Time to check the forecast metrics. From the compiled outlooks, the potential change in price could vary between a drop of 3.8% and a rise of 5.7%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Digital Coin Price predicts the highest return with 5.7% surge in value by February 24. That means you could earn between $6 and $57 for every $1,000 you invest. From the volatility analysis, CoinCodex's forecast comes out on top with a 95.5% chance of success. From the full range of forecasts, I've drawn a unified consensus outlook. According to consensus, Bitcoin Cash is set to trade near $541.73. Now, let's get into the details. Consensus expectations highlight a 0% upward move in price under present conditions. Following that trend, your capital might also climb by about 0%. A 1,000 investment might show a return of about under this forecast. The probability of the consensus scenario taking place is set at approximately 96.6%. At this point, let's review where analysts think the market is heading in the coming 3 days. CoinDataFlow anticipates calm trading, with Bitcoin Cash unlikely to break out of its present range. Crypto Predictions emphasizes a downward trajectory. Additionally, Traders Union expects the price to slump further. A move higher is suggested by CoinCodex. Similarly, Digital Coin Price anticipates the price heading north. By aligning the forecasts, the consensus points to Bitcoin Cash holding its ground without major changes in the short term. Looking across the different forecasts, 60% of analysts anticipate growth, pointing to a stronger outlook for Bitcoin Cash. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they performed against the market. As a result, the price eventually moved to $570.50. The majority of forecasts turned out correct in this case. Looking strictly at accuracy, CoinCodex turned out most accurate. Now let's break it all down. Yesterday's range included 3 forecasts inside. In terms of ROI, a few analysts achieved profits, with the top performance reaching 2.7%. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. 30 Rates' forecast probability stood at 95.1%. with $13.50 accuracy and minus 1.1% ROI. Take a moment to observe how each forecast actually turned out. Here's how the income expectations for tomorrow look across multiple assets, including Bitcoin Cash. Forecast comparison places Bitcoin Cash fifth, as XP stays at the top with 3.1%. For now, we're comparing Bitcoin Cash with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The full profitability comparison and analyst statistics will soon be available on my website and Telegram. If you'd like to keep watching how different analysts perform, leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Take care and see you in the next one.